We have a new addition to our laundry collection, our Fresh Fiji, Fresh Fiji Hygienic Power Laundry Bar and Stain Remover. And I got one of these in my VIP goodie bag from the event that I attended at the beginning of December. And so I got a chance to try it out and really, really like it. It does have a very fresh scent. It has baking soda as the key ingredient. I like that it's minimal packaging. There's no, it's just the wrapper, and then you've got this nice solid bar. So you're not spending any money on a bunch of water to water down the soap or the stain remover. So that's something that I know a lot of folks are looking for these days. It does, work. It would be great for hand washing of laundry, because you can just kind of rub, this bar on the visible dirt, and it helps remove the invisible dirt, of course. But it also has moisturizing ingredients and is safe for skin, so that when you're using it in hand washing, you're not irritating your skin, which a lot of times when you're treating stains, there is, some hand washing going on with that. And it does attack tough stains. I had a shirt that I put on that I hadn't realized we had missed a stain. I had spilled something on my shirt the last time I wore it. It had gone through the laundry without getting treated for that stain, and the stain was set in. So we tried this. And it did a really good job of just removing that set-in stain from my shirt. So that is the Fresh Fiji Hygienic Power Laundry Bar and Stain Remover.